Why do 73% of crypto traders miss out on easy profits? Let's talk crypto arbitrage. Crypto arbitrage is like finding hidden gold in the digital world. You buy low on one exchange and sell high on another. Simple, right? Well, it's a bit more complex. You need lightning-fast reflexes, real-time data, and a solid strategy. Just the other day, I spotted an opportunity. Bought a crypto low on one exchange, sold it high on another. Boom! Over $1,000 profit in minutes. The secret, a mix of technical analysis and machine learning. It's not just luck. It's about having the right tools and know-how. Crypto markets move fast, so you gotta move faster. Feeling the rush of a successful trade? That's the magic of crypto arbitrage. It's all about being ready, staying sharp, and seizing the moment. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of crypto arbitrage and turn your small investments into big wins. Comment below with your crypto trading stories, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. See you next time.